Hey family, me again. As you can see, you guys, here I'm thinking I was testing. Here I'm thinking, right? Thinking that, I don't know why this is on there, but it's the microphone. But anyhow, here I was thinking, was just outside talking to you guys from coming in from my walk, right? This is Monique Harvey, by the way. And I had my little cute microphone on and everything, thinking I was in it to win it because it was windy outside. Come to find out, you guys, the microphone was never on. The microphone was never on. So I just came in and played back the video that I just posted here on my page. And it's so much wind outside. It's crazy. And you can hear it all in the background. I'm so sorry if you guys can hear it. But I tried. The life of a vlogger. But I'm here. I'm making some garlic wings. I wanted some garlic wings. I want some wings, period. But you know, I had the VSG surgery, and with that being said, it's hard for me to tolerate certain foods. I don't know, mainly chicken. Not mainly chicken. Like baked or boiled, I'm good with. But fried foods are totally out of it for me. Like, I don't even eat fried food anymore. And everything is baked or boiled or in the air fryer. Love that. Let's call it. This is what I'm using. And I also put this on there. I should have showed y'all the seasonings. And I love this paprika. I love this paprika because I don't use salt. So it's certain seasons that do it for me. And I'm gonna put these in the oven for like 3 hours because I like my oven baked chicken like fried. I do. I don't like wet baked chicken. If that's weird to you guys, let me know. Let me know in the comments below if that's weird. But I do not, I repeat, do not like wet baked chicken. And I'm also, I don't know what I'm going to make with it, you guys. What is the suggestion to make with it? I probably just have this. But as you know, I don't have much time to talk with you guys. I only have like 3 minutes because I'm not monetized or have like 500 subscribers yet. So I'm trying to get there so I can have longer videos with you guys. So don't forget to go over there and hit that like, comment, and share button. And subscribe to my channel so we can know each other and become brothers and sisters.